The Nuwave Oxypure Smart Air Purifier comes with an owner's manual and a quick start guide. In addition, the device comes with one easy clean cover, one stainless steel pre-filter, one BioGuard filter, one ozone emission removal filter, and 5 HEPA carbon filters. Before using the Oxypure, remove all the protective plastics from the device and around the power cord. And remove the sticker on the control panel. Next, keep the device unplugged and open the panel from the back to access the filters. Remove the filters from the slots. Then, remove the plastic coverings around each filter. The BioGuard filter is the only filter that is not pre-wrapped in plastic. Once all the plastic coverings are removed, reinsert the filters back into their original slots. You may use the labeled numbers printed on the filters to help you match the filters to the correct slot. Be sure to close the panel or the device will not start. As an extra layer of protection and filtering, you may put on the included Easy Clean cover that fits around the bottom of the device. Once the Oxypure is properly assembled, place the device in a central spot of the room and make sure that none of the vents are blocked. Once you plug the Oxypure Smart Air Purifier into an outlet, LEDs on the control panel will briefly illuminate, followed by a dim red light around the power button. This signals that the device is receiving power, but the fan is not running. To turn the device on, tap the power button once, and a green light around the power button will indicate that the fan is running and the unit's functions are adjustable on the control panel. The selected settings will remain even after powering the device off. When powered back on, the unit will execute any previously selected functions or modes. Be sure to unplug the device before attempting to clean it, or if you plan to not use it for an extended period of time. When the auto button is selected, the device will automatically adjust the fan speed based on the detected air quality. The auto function will run the device with no time limit unless otherwise set by the timer button. To mute the device, press and hold the auto button for 2 seconds until 2 beeps are heard. The device is now muted. To unmute, press and hold the auto button again for 2 seconds until 2 beeps are heard. When the Ultimate Clean button is selected, the device will automatically adjust the fan to its highest speed if it detects poor air quality. When it detects that the air is clean, the device will switch back to its previous settings. The Oxypure has a total of 6 different fan speeds. The default fan speed when the device is first powered on is set to low. You can adjust the fan speed by pressing the fan speed button, indicated by the number of green bars around the button. The fan will run continuously unless the device is powered off or set to Eco mode. Sleep mode will allow the device to keep the fan running without the LED lights turned on. Before putting the device into sleep mode, be sure to adjust the unit to your desired fan settings. To put the device into sleep mode, press and hold the fan speed button for 2 seconds. To exit sleep mode, simply press any button. Use the timer button to select how long the unit will run before powering off. The device comes with 6 preset times from which to choose, starting as low as half an hour to up to 12 hours of operation. To turn off the timer at any moment, press the timer button repeatedly until no green bars are lit up. When the timer ends, the unit will automatically power off. The turbo function runs the fan at its highest speed for a selected amount of time. To activate turbo mode, press the turbo button, and a green bar will indicate how long you would like the mode to run for, ranging from half an hour to up to 2 hours. To operate longer than 2 hours, set turbo to 2 hours, and then press timer and set the additional time desired. The Oxypure will automatically measure the air quality in the room and display the information with LED lights. Based on the amount of particulate matter in the air indicator will show the cleanliness level of the air, while the odor indicator will show the odor intensity of the air. If the particulate matter levels of the air exceed the upper limit, a warning is triggered with a beeping sound and flashing LEDs. To set the device into eco mode, press the power button and ultimate clean button at the same time. The LED around the power button will switch to yellow. Eco mode saves energy by turning off the fan and lights until poor air quality is detected. While in eco mode, the fan will automatically run when the particulate matter level is high and will remain off when the level is low. To turn off eco mode, press the power button and ultimate clean button at the same time again. The control panel also displays 2 filter indicators that will illuminate to let you know when it is time to clean the filters or replace them. Depending on the duration of use, the Clean Filter 2 indicator will light either yellow, orange, or red, and the Replace Filter 4 indicator will light up either green or red. After the filters have been properly cleaned or replaced, press and hold the timer button to reset indicator for filter 2, and press and hold the turbo button to reset the indicator for filter 4. The Oxypure is equipped to operate using Wi-Fi. This allows you to conveniently operate the device from nearly any location as long as you have a reliable internet connection. To set up Wi-Fi connection, first make sure your phone or smart device is connected to a Wi-Fi network and that the Bluetooth is on. Next, install the Nuwave Connect app from the App Store. Open the app and sign in. If you are a first-time user, create a free account. On the Oxypure control panel, press and hold the power button until the Wi-Fi light is blinking rapidly. Back on the app, go to the home page and tap Add Device. Then, tap the Add button next to Discovering Devices. Once the app detects your Oxypure, tap on the Add button next to the Oxypure icon. When the app has successfully connected to the device, tap Done. Now you can manage the Oxypure right from the app. You can access the control panel interface, which will give you full control over the Oxypure anytime from anywhere. You'll also have access to advanced controls for additional features, making your experience even more personalized.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.